Introduction. Generative AI is revolutionizing how creators, brands, and influencers produce content, enabling the rapid creation of eye-catching videos, hit music, and stunning visuals from just a prompt. How does generative AI work? Generative AI tools use deep learning to turn text instructions into high-quality content. Example: describe a scene, and AI creates a video or image in seconds. Hum a melody or type a theme, and AI composes original music to match. Real-world applications. Video generation. Instantly create professional clips, explainer videos, or edgy social shorts for platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Music creation. AI platforms generate unique soundtracks, jingles, and even full songs, tailored to mood, style, or lyrics you suggest. Image and art generation. From YouTube thumbnails to brand art to memes, creators use AI to generate unlimited visuals with perfect style control. Social media automation. AI crafts viral posts, auto-edits footage, and generates trending memes, letting creators scale content output faster than ever before. The impact and future trends. Generative AI removes creative barriers. No studio, team, or advanced skills needed. Individual creators and global brands now keep up with demand, unlock creative freedom, and react instantly to trends. As AI learns style and audience tastes, the next generation of tools will enable even more personal, interactive content. Call to action and closing. Want to unlock AI content creation for your channel? Like and subscribe for the best tools, prompts, and secret hacks to go viral with AI.